Good morning, honorable present here. Today discuss topic state diagram. What is in the state diagram? State diagram is represent for condition for the system or part of the system to find out the interest of the time. The behavioral diagram is nothing but the represent for behavior using the final state transmission. The state diagram is also referred as state machine and state start diagram. We have to identify it. In the state diagram, there are different types diagram we have to use in computer science in related field and describe the behavior of the system. So state diagram are required for the system describe the composite for final number of state. We have to identify it. The state diagram mainly using for this whole system. We have to identify it. Behavior throughout the system. We have to state diagram. We have to identify it. State machine device to show the status of object and given any time. We have to identify it. And uses of state diagram. The state diagram useful of model reactive system. The reactive system is defined for system that are responsible for internal and external event. Whatever the event will be there, and flow of control from the one state to another state. This is the uses of state. And what is the purpose of state diagram? That is a dynamic aspect of the system and a lifetime reactive system and a different state object during the lifetime system and state machine to model state and object. When to use the state diagram? The state diagram mainly using for model object state diagram system. The model reactive system. The reactive system consists of reactive object. So the response for the state diagram, any changes we have to identify the use case and how the use the state diagram we have to identify, and forward reverse engineering for and how to draw the state diagram. The first two important for object to first analyzed and identify the state and identify the event. This is the initial. This is the state. This is a composite state and fork, and this is a join. This is a self. This is one simple example for a state diagram. First you start and swap the code. Therefore, first you check the pin number waiting, the few pin number entering or rejecting, first you wait, and the pin number verification. If you have pin verification, the pin valid means the pin authentication we have to identify. Finally, user identification we have to follow it. This is one simple example for state diagram for pin verification model only. We have to. Next one is the example for airport passenger. First, airport verification for reservation and what are the get the performance and how the print boarding pass, the receiving the bag and luggage, everything will be checking. And other thing, give the passenger travel test and again you send the travel test. This is another example for state diagram. Thank you.